Hello, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon to everybody wherever you may be. This is Antinduta and I am in Yotebori. And this is my third day in Yotebori and I want to go to the beach. We want to go to the beach with the boys. It's very, very windy, you can see. We want to go to the beach with the boys and then and see. It's like a lake. It's just like a small lake. I hear. I've not been there. I'm new here, so we want to go and see how it looks like, and then yeah, I'll take you around with me. It's cloudy, as you can see. It's very, very cloudy. That's the weather. That is the weather of today. And that is how this place looks like, where we are putting up here in Yotebori. This is the environment. This is where we are putting up. And this is our third day being here in Yotebori. So come along with me and we can go to see the lake. We can go and see the lake, but I just want to show you how the place looks like. I tell you every day how Scandinavia countries have a lot of vegetation, trees everywhere. Look at there ahead of us. Look ahead there, how green it is. You see, green, 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 very nice green. And this is the environment, how it looks like. That's the environment where we are putting up here in Yotebori. It's beautiful. It's about 45 minutes to Gothenburg. In English we call it Gothenburg, but in Swedish we say Göteborg, but in English is Gothenburg. So look at that. Look at that. Look how green it is. Takes your breath away, I'm telling you. It's beautiful. It's really nice. Nice area. It's beautiful area. Not in the city. Little out of town. And that you can see. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. There. So we are going to go that other side, and the cloud is dark. You see the clouds, like the rain can fall any second. But I don't think so. So that's how it looks like. So we are going, I'm going to go on another side. We're going on the other side. The other side, you see, it's very windy. We are going over that other side there. That side there. So the lake is just, it's not far away from here. It's like 10 minutes. We'll just go. You see that side, those houses there, that forest there, that exact forest behind it is the lake. So it's just to cross here, zebra crossing, and go that way, that way, that way. And then we are there. So let's do it. You see trees, trees, trees everywhere. I have to press here so that it can be green. Now it's green. I can cross. You have to press there. Come with me, enjoy the vegetation, the nature, the beautiful nature. You can't stop admiring. There's a small bridge here. There's water. There you see. Comes from that side and goes that way. So this is a hill. This is a small hill. So that's the view. Beautiful view, you see, guys? Beautiful view. I'm giving you all nice views around so you can see. And this road will take me to the lake. This small road. You can cycle here or the motorbike, but not the car. The car takes another route. That one. There you take that to go to the lake. But this one, it branches there on the right side. You continue with it. And that's my beautiful sight, my view. That's my beautiful view. Sharing with you to see how beautiful it is. Yeah. So let's go to the lake. So guys, let's go to the lake. Let's meet there. I'll be there until evening with my friends' kids. They'll be swimming, and they'll be swimming, and they'll cycle there. They will have some games together with them. Okay, see you there, guys. Bye, bye. Trees. Hello, hi guys. So we've had a wonderful time here at the lake, and now I think it's time. It's becoming very, very windy. It's getting so windy, so we want to go back, walk back. The boys will cycle back, and we will walk. It's not far. It's just very, very, very close. It's just very close. It's not far from here. So it was nice. It was a nice Saturday. It was nice Saturday afternoon. And now it's time to go. So thank you. This is Auntie Nduta. Auntie Nduta here. I'm in Gothenburg. I am in Gothenburg. I've been here for 2 days. And I'm here tomorrow also. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. This is Auntie Nduta, and this is the place now we've been the whole afternoon. So that's how it looks like. The boys were playing football, and of course they came here to swim. Look at how the nature is. Beautiful, beautiful. So it's time to go. It's getting late now. So it's only now to go back. So that's how the place is. That's how this small lake is. But tomorrow I think we shall go to a bigger place. I think tomorrow we shall take a ride and go somewhere where there will be more people. So let's go. Maybe I will see something to show you on the way back. But for just now, let's see you on the other. See you. See you. See you. See you. See you. Bye.